Llamas and Schizophrenia, a revolutionary treatment breakthrough. Could llamas be the unexpected solution for schizophrenia? Llamas, those charming South American creatures, might just be the surprising answer to a complex mental health issue, schizophrenia. This serious brain disorder distorts a person's perception of reality and impacts around 3.7 million adults in the United States, age 18 to 65, as reported by RTI International. The potential of llama antibodies. Recent research from France has unveiled a fascinating development. Scientists have harnessed llama antibodies, proteins that bolster the immune system, to create a specialized fragment known as a nanobody. This nanobody has the potential to activate neurotransmitters in the brain, which are crucial for regulating neural activity. Neurotransmitters are essentially the chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells, playing a vital role in how our brains function. Importantly, no llamas were harmed during this research, as the scientists were able to isolate these nanobodies in a laboratory setting. Previous studies have shown that llama antibodies can also combat COVID-19 and other similar viruses, showcasing their versatility. Breaking barriers. In a groundbreaking experiment conducted by the Institute of Functional Genomics, researchers injected these nanobodies into the veins and muscles of mice. Remarkably, the nanobodies were able to cross the blood-brain barrier, a protective layer that shields the brain from harmful substances, allowing them to reach brain receptors effectively. Through 2 separate tests on mice, the researchers observed significant improvements in cognitive deficits associated with schizophrenia. Just a single injection led to enhanced cognitive function, with effects lasting for up to a week. Next steps in research. While these findings are promising, clinical trials in humans are necessary to determine if this could pave the way for a new treatment for schizophrenia. Molecular biologist Jean-Philippe Pin, a co-author of the study published in the journal Nature, expressed optimism, stating, "In humans, obviously we don't know yet, but in mice, yes, it is sufficient to treat most deficits of schizophrenia." Currently available medications for schizophrenia primarily address symptoms, but often fall short in improving cognitive deficits. The exact cause of this chronic condition remains elusive, though the World Health Organization suggests it may stem from a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Interestingly, some studies have linked increased cases of schizophrenia in Canada to cannabis use. Understanding schizophrenia. Schizophrenia can manifest at any age, but most diagnoses occur between 16 and 30 years old, with symptoms varying widely among individuals. While there is no definitive cure, treatment options such as antipsychotic medications, therapy, and self-management strategies can help manage the condition, according to the National Alliance on Mental Illness. The authors of this study are hopeful that their innovative approach will contribute to the existing treatment options. They stated, "This research confirms the potential of nanobodies as a new therapeutic strategy for acting on the brain, with their use eventually being broadened to include the treatment of other neurological illnesses." What do you think? This intriguing research opens the door to a new understanding of how we might treat schizophrenia. But here's where it gets controversial. Could the use of animal-derived treatments spark ethical debates? What are your thoughts on the potential of nanobodies in mental health treatment? Share your opinions in the comments. Llama antibodies, a breakthrough in schizophrenia treatment. Imagine a world where schizophrenia, a condition affecting 1 in every 100 people globally, could be treated with a breakthrough therapy derived from the humble llama. That's right, llamas, those docile creatures of the Andes, may hold the key to unlocking new treatment options for this debilitating mental illness. Current treatments for schizophrenia often fall short in addressing the cognitive issues that most impact patients' daily lives. But the latest research could change that. At the Institute of Functional Genomics, a team of dedicated scientists has engineered a nanobody, a tiny protein derived from llama antibodies, with the unique ability to activate a specific glutamate receptor in the brain. This receptor is crucial for regulating neural activity, and the implications for schizophrenia treatment are profound. What's even more exciting is that this nanobody can be administered peripherally, either through veins or muscles, and still manage to cross the blood-brain barrier, a significant hurdle in neuroscience. In preclinical trials, these nanobodies showed remarkable results. Mice models with schizophrenia-like symptoms experienced a clear improvement in cognitive function after just one injection, with the effects lasting for over a week. While these findings are promising, they're just the beginning. Clinical studies are now needed to confirm if this peripheral injection method can indeed provide a new treatment avenue for schizophrenia. But here's where it gets controversial. While the results are undeniably exciting, some experts question whether the use of nanobodies could have unintended consequences on brain function. Could the activation of certain receptors lead to unforeseen side effects? And what about the long-term implications for patients? These are questions that must be carefully considered as we move forward. This research is a game changer, not just for schizophrenia, but for neurological illnesses in general. Nanobodies could become a new therapeutic strategy, opening up a whole new world of possibilities for treating brain-related disorders. But as we stand on the brink of a new era in neuroscience, it's crucial that we proceed with caution. Asking the tough questions and exploring all potential outcomes. What do you think? Could Llama antibodies be the key to unlocking better treatments for schizophrenia? Or are there hidden dangers we haven't considered? Join the conversation and share your thoughts in the comments below. And this is the part most people miss. The potential for nanobody therapy goes far beyond schizophrenia. Imagine the possibilities for treating other neurological conditions. From Alzheimer's to Parkinson's, the future of neuroscience is exciting, but it's also full of ethical and scientific questions that we must address together.